Would I recommend DigitalGrads? Definitely. If you are feeling like that you're stuck and you're not getting anywhere, you don't know where to apply, you don't know who to apply for, or even if you've sent in 100 applications and been rejected 100 times, sign up. They will guide you through it all, and you will probably find opportunities that you never knew existed. Honestly, they're fantastic. My name is James Caldery. I am a trainee data analyst for a company called Market Systems Software up in London. Before I joined DigitalGrads, job hunting was a bit of a minefield because in my situation, it wasn't just a change of role, it was a complete change of career. It was a lot of applying and rejections before I signed up to DigitalGrads. Since I joined DigitalGrads, the process of applying for jobs that were applicable to me was so much easier. The DigitalGrads site had the perfect roles for people in my situation, people that were changing careers or people that were still at university. I was only with DigitalGrads probably about a month, maybe 2 max, before I managed to get the job that I'm in now. When using the DigitalGrads system, it was really easy to do. It's very visually pleasing. It's easy to navigate. You fill out your profile at the beginning, which is fairly easy to do, and then they match jobs to you, and you get sort of weekly emails from them, constantly giving you updates of new roles available, and all of those are laid out on the site with all the relevant information and company info. The highlights of DigitalGrads really are the people. You didn't get the sense that you were just a number with them. They actually helped me get a job that I was originally rejected for. But I do think without them, I probably certainly would not have got the job that I'm in now, but probably would have missed a lot of opportunities as well.